Individuals who sell by the phone normally do not leave the office. There's a guy who runs a company called InsideSales.com, Ken, who says remote sales, mostly, most lately called virtual sales or professional sales done remotely. So basically, right, like nowadays we have the ability to actually sell like pretty substantially priced products from inside. Why? Because we have great video conferencing systems. We have tools out there like Psycho.io, like ClearSlide, like Yesware, like Datanize, like MixRank, like Closio or Close.io that allow you now to operate a sales process from inside. We weren't able to do that before. There's all this data now that lives out there. Social media has done a great job of making it available, making a prospect information available out on the web, right? So we can actually do these things now from inside. We've never been able to do that before.